I've talked about using the light hub many times before. I really think this is a fantastic little controller for LEDs. It has a pulse width modulation. It can actually dim LEDs very easily. You don't have to be an electronics expert to use it. And that's what I'm using on my signboard project. In the wall lights kit, they provide this connector that's at the bottom center of the picture. And you can connect several LEDs to this. The shade has a nice green color, a good shape. The bottom, however, is covered with a silver coating that prevents the light getting out of the casting. The light on the left is standard and it has the silver coating. The one on the right has been modified, and let's take a look at what I did to make it give out more light. The problem is this aluminum coating that's been sprayed on to look like the reflector. In actuality, the LED is buried inside the solid urethane casting here, so the trick is to scrape off this aluminum paint. Here's the reflector after all these silver paint's been scraped off the bottom. Much clearer, gives a lot more light. Let's take a look at it on the billboard. Here's the finished product. The billboard with the Woodland Scenics light hub as a controller. The 3 gooseneck lights with the silver removed from the bottom. Nice even light on the sign. It'll make a great addition for my night scene, I think, and hope you give it a try. When I first saw the aluminum coating, I figured, oh, maybe a mistake. But in actuality, we try to control light all the time in our layout rooms, or if we're making video like I'm doing here. The nice thing about the aluminum coating is I could have scraped off just a line across there and had a line of light, either vertical or horizontal. I could also have started in the center and barely began to open up and control the amount of light that came out of that fixture. So it really is an advantage rather than a disadvantage. Before you go to put that light on anything in your own railroad, be sure and take a look at it and experiment a little bit before you actually commit to how you're going to open up that light or not. It does give off some in the original packaging. In the meantime, go out to your layout room and let your trains put a smile on your face.